Hi, welcome. This is Enzo and Shakti. We are today happy to share with you meditation for the soul body. The soul is the traveler and the journey, and when it's unbalanced, you will feel unhappy and you will not be connected to your intuition. So this is very short meditation to balance your soul body so you can feel happy and connect to your intuition. So you're gonna have your hands like this, fingers are all touching. You're gonna place your palms on and cover your ears. You're gonna pull your elbows back, pull your navel in so it's tall and straight. You're gonna close your eyes and gaze down, and let's inhale slowly and deeply through the nose. Suspend the breath and mentally chant Ek Onkar, Ek Onkar, mentally. Slowly exhale through the nose. And we'll repeat this 2 more times. So you inhale. On a suspended breath, as long as comfortable, you mentally chant Ek Onkar. And please continue. And exhale. One more time. And exhale. Lower the hands in Gya Mudra. Close your eyes and then just be still for a moment. And notice what's happening on the side of your head, on the top and behind. Feel any sensations. Slow down the breath. And let's inhale. Hands in prayer mudra. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me comments. How was your experience? What was difficult? What was expanding? I look forward to connecting with all of you.